Hi there again, folks. Don't know how you're unfortunate enough to get onto this video, but seeing as how it's been your bit of bad luck to find me, I'll try and do my best to keep you entertained. So recently, you would remember I bought this Milwaukee drill. So I was in Bunnings the other day getting a new lock for the front door when I spotted this set of Irwin bits. It was only $20, so I figured, well, why not have a crack at it? It's not too bad. I kind of expected it all be different. I didn't realise that there were several repetitions. I've also got some square bits, which I've never seen a square thing, so I don't think we'll ever use them here. Although I was watching some reviews, it was either Tool Review Zone or Lone Star Mopar, who suggested just swapping out the ones you don't use with the ones you do use. So in this case, I only have a 5mm Allen head, so I'll get a 4 and a 6, and I'll just swap them out with those square bits. They're pretty nice bits. They also have this magnetic holder here, which is absolutely brilliant, really. I was so glad I had it when I was working on the door. And it just pops, when I say it just pops off, it comes off with a bit of force, so it can go on any single one you want to put it on. I've just got it on the number 2 Phillips because that's the one you use the most. Yeah, it's a funny set. I haven't found it online or anything else apart from New Zealand. I think my local Bunnings must have just got a shipment of it and went, oh well, what the hell, we'll sell them. But anyway, they're a nice thing. I bought this Bahco bit holder to use with it. So, and to get them out, you've got to flip them right up like that and pull them straight up. They come out dead easy. Try and do it any other way. It's nearly impossible. This, of course, has a locking device. You push it up, put them in, pull it shut, then they're there like that. There's no way to get them out, apart from push it up, pop it out again. Now, a lot of people have said they need to be single-handed, all that. Yeah, I can understand that for a tradesman, especially if you're on a roof or something. For me, not really a problem. I just want something that I know is not going to crack. The first time I put a bit into one of my El Cheapo bit holders that I already had, this little baby here just smashed it, so that's why I went and bought a Bahco. I mean, it's a good quality, it's a better sort of a thing. Now, to complement the bits and the drills, so that instead of having to use the chuck all the time, I'm just swapping out bits for drills, I bought this Dowd Power Tool Accessories 13-piece hex fitting titanium drill bit set. Now, this is actually rubbish. This is the cheapest ones I could find on eBay. I looked up Dowd on the internet. There's nothing about them. But I figure I'll be saving these for soft timber because I don't think I'll be doing anything steel with them after the first few times. But it's just an experiment. She's a bit of a strange set. 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.2, which is an 1/8, and I do a few pop rivets, so I can understand that. 3.5, 4, 4.5, 4.8, 5, 5.5, 6, and 6.5. Now, they're not machined or anything. They're actually a press fit, and I don't know if you can catch it on the camera there, but there's actually a stamp mark there where they've stamped it to hold the drill area in place. So yeah, not really sure how good they're going to be, but I figure they've got to be better for nothing. I do a lot of just handyman work, and it has to be better to be able to change bits just like that, rather than have to be spinning the chuck on and off every time. So yeah, look, I'm not the sort of person who's going to drill 100 holes to test how it works. I'll just keep posting if it turns out to be absolute rubbish, or if it turns out to be brilliant. Anyway, hope you're all enjoying your Easter break, not being allowed to leave the house. Hope you got plenty of beer. I know I certainly have. Okay then, I'll talk to you later.